This is the little blue filter. Inline filtration for your spray gun cleaner. Standard feature on the Edition 35 range of spray gun cleaners, but this can be retrofitted to any Unic spray gun cleaner out in the field. It continuously filters your cleaning solvent or your cleaning water-based detergent underneath the machine down to 10 micron, removing the paint solids, extended fluid life and improving the cleaning performance. If we take a look at the drum underneath the machine right now, you can see the dark coloured fluid filled with blues and blacks. This will clearly show the benefits of having the filtration. By running the brush, the dirty fluid is pumped through the filtration and comes out as clean, clear fluid for cleaning. We all know it's much better to clean a spray gun with clean fluid rather than dirty fluid. We know that process is a lot more efficient, a lot more effective. The other benefits of the inline filtration is that by removing that waste inside your cleaning solution, we can extend the life of that cleaning fluid. One of our customers, Airbus, they saved 2,650 litres of cleaning solvent per year by using the UED 35 solvent-based spray gun cleaner. If you'd like any more information on this product, please visit our website www.unic.co.uk, or you can email sales@unic.co.uk or info@unic.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.